Good afternoon, everybody. So my lab are also a protein design lab. In fact, I share a lab with Ross. Our interest really is in integral membrane proteins. So that is proteins that sit inside a membrane lipid bilayer. They're a bit understudied in the design world, not because they're boring, but because they're more challenging to study. So we're now using the same design tools that you've heard about already to design, ideally, functional membrane proteins, specifically for electron transport across and within membranes. The second thing that my lab are trying to do now is to develop sequence to expression models for membrane proteins. You may not know, but the recombinant production of membrane proteins remains probably one of the most outstanding challenges in protein science. It turns out computationally designed proteins are an excellent basis for building models that can link a particular sequence to a particular expression phenotype. So if you're interested in membrane proteins, come and talk to me.